Nobody has gone this fast on four wheels and called it legal. Nobody has built something this extreme and put a license plate on it. And nobody, not Bugatti, not Rimac, not any name you want to throw into this conversation, has ever done what Koenigsegg just did with the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. Every speed record that existed before this car was announced is now a historical artifact, a footnote, a participation trophy sitting in a display case that nobody is looking at anymore. I need to be straight with you before we go any further. I have covered extreme machines my entire career. I know what it feels like when something genuinely fast walks into the room versus when a brand is simply very good at writing press releases. The 2027 Jesko Absolute is not a press release. It is a physical argument that the people in Ängelholm, Sweden have been building toward for 20 years. And this is the moment they finally said everything they wanted to say at full volume without apology. Look at the exterior and understand immediately that this car was not designed. It was solved. Every surface, every angle, every curve exists because physics demanded it. The body is wrapped in a carbon fiber so advanced it has its own internal name at Koenigsegg that they haven't shared publicly. Lighter than anything previously used on a production vehicle. Stiffer than aerospace-grade materials that cost 4 times as much. The silhouette is low and wide in a way that feels almost predatory at rest and completely inevitable at speed.
The front end splits air with a precision that makes other hypercars look like they're guessing. Twin air intakes flank the nose like nostrils on something that needs to breathe hard to stay alive. The active rear wing, and calling it a wing is almost comically inadequate, is a full aerodynamic system that adjusts continuously, reading speed and load and corner radius and feeding that information back into its position hundreds of times every second. At 300 miles per hour, this car produces more downforce than most race cars see in competition, on a public road with a license plate attached. The headlights are thin, aggressive slashes of pure white light that make the front of the Jesko Absolute look like it is permanently mid-thought about something faster than you. The color chosen for the reveal, a bespoke Koenigsegg shade called Ghost Silver, behaves differently at different speeds. At rest, it is a pale, almost white metallic. At speed, sources who have observed it on track say it appears to darken, almost blue, as if the car is absorbing the air around it and changing because of it. That is not a paint finish. That is a personality. Sit inside, and the first thing you understand is that comfort was never the brief. The cabin of the 2027 Jesko Absolute is a workspace. A beautiful, extraordinary, outrageously expensive workspace, but a workspace. The seat holds you rather than accommodates you. The harness crosses your body with the quiet authority of something that knows.
The instrument display is positioned so precisely that your eyes never have to travel more than 2 degrees from the road ahead to read every piece of information the car wants to give you. That 2-degree number was not accidental. It was engineered. The paddle shifters behind the wheel connect to the Koenigsegg light-speed transmission. 9 speeds, any gear accessible from any gear in under 30 milliseconds. There is no delay between decision and result in this car. The machine does not make you wait. Ever. Now, here's where things get completely, genuinely, historically insane. Sources confirm the 2027 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute is running a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter flat-plane crank V8, producing 1,600 horsepower on standard pump fuel. On E85 biofuel, which is commercially available across the United States, that number rises to 1,700 horsepower. 1,700 horsepower from a 5-liter engine. The math on that doesn't feel real until you read it 3 times, and it still doesn't feel real. The theoretical top speed, calculated, validated, and published by Koenigsegg's own engineering team, is 330 miles per hour. 330! Which is not a speed, it is a statement about the nature of possibility itself.
0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds sounds almost modest until you understand that every one of those 2.5 seconds involves 1,700 horsepower fighting traction, aerodynamics, and physics simultaneously, and winning all three arguments before you finished forming a thought. The Koenigsegg Lightspeed transmission means there is no torque interruption between gears. None. The acceleration curve doesn't breathe. It doesn't pause. It simply continues, relentlessly, mechanically, perfectly, until you run out of road or courage, whichever comes first.
Driving this car past anything else on the road isn't a flex. It isn't main character energy. It is a different category of experience entirely. Every other vehicle you pass is simply parked from the Jesko Absolute's perspective. NPCs frozen in geological time, while this machine operates in a completely separate reality. Production is capped at 125 units globally. Every single one was sold before the public announcement was made. The people who own these cars received personal calls from Christian von Koenigsegg himself. Not emails, not letters, phone calls, informing them their car was complete. The estimated price per unit sits between $3 and $3.5 million, depending on specification. Several have already been resold privately for figures that neither party has chosen to disclose, which tells you everything about where the real market values this machine. That is not a price. That is entry into a conversation that 99.9% of the planet will never be invited to have. Here is what the 2027 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute actually means, beyond everything we just talked about. Christian von Koenigsegg started this company in a former fighter jet hangar in southern Sweden with the stated goal of building the fastest road car in the world. People laughed. The industry ignored him for years. And then quietly, methodically, over 2 decades of work that never stopped and never compromised, he built exactly what he said he would build. The Jesko Absolute is not the fastest car Koenigsegg ever made. It is the proof that everything Koenigsegg ever said was true. Every claim, every number, every promise made in that fighter jet hangar 30 years ago. This is not a hypercar. This is a man finishing a sentence he started before most of his competitors existed. So here is the only question that matters. 330 miles per hour
on a public road with a license plate. Is the 2027 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute the greatest achievement in automotive history? Or has someone in Sweden simply gone too far? Tell me below. I want to know exactly where you stand on this.